Thomas Matulesi, also known as Kapitan Patimura or Patimura, is an Indonesian national hero from Maluku. Patimura was born in Haria, Saparua, Central Maluku on 8 June 1783 to the Matulesi family. His father was Franz Matulesi and his mother was Francina Silahoy. Prior to the resistance against the VOC, he had a career in the military as a former British military surgeon. His name became known for leading the resistance of the Moluccan people against the Dutch through the Patimura War. Since the 17th and 18th centuries, there has been a series of armed uprisings against the Dutch VOC due to the oppressive practices of Dutch colonialism in the form of trade monopolies, honey shipping, forced labor, and so on. These oppressions was felt in all aspects of people's life, both socio-economic, political, and socio-psychological aspects. For 200 years, the Moluccan people experienced division and poverty. The people of Maluku produced cloths and nutmeg for the world market, but the majority of the people did not benefit from the economic side. Instead of gaining profit, the Moluccan people suffered even more with various policies such a heavy tax in the form of compulsory surrender, verplicht leverantien, and contingent and economic blockade that isolate the Moluccan people from other Indonesian trades. In the second phase, the British occupation of Maluku from 1810 to 1817 had to end on 25 March 1817 after the Dutch regained control of Maluku. The Moluccan people strongly rejected the Dutch arrival by making the Haria Proclamation and Hatawono Objection. The Haria Proclamation was drafted by Patimura. When the Dutch government began to enforce its power through Governor van Middelkoop and Saparua resident Johannes Rudolf van der Burg, armed resistance of the Moluccan people broke out. Deliberation and consolidation of force were held where the forums approved Patimura as the great captain who led the struggle. On 7 May 1817, at a public meeting in the Baileu of Haria, Thomas Matulesi was confirmed in a traditional ceremony as Kapitan Besar. After being inaugurated as captain, Patimura chose several of his assistants who were also warriors, namely Antoni Rebok, Philips Latimahina, Lucas Celano, Arong Lisapavi, Melchior Kasalua, and Sarasa Sanaki, Marta Christina Tiahahu, and Paulus Tiahahu. Patimura, together with Philips Latumahina and Lucas Celano, stormed the Dutch fort. News of the fall of Fort Dort to Patimura's troops and the extermination of the Dutch shocked and confused the Dutch government in Ambon. Governor van Middelkoop and Commissioner Engelhard decided to send a large military force to Saparua under the leadership of Major Bitjes. The expedition was later called the Bitjes Expedition. Knowing this, Kapitan Patimura immediately organized battle tactics and strategies. An army of about 1,000 men was organized in defense along the coast from Haria Bay to Saparua Bay. Patimura and his troops managed to defeat Bitjes and his army. On 20 May 1817, a giant meeting was held in Haria to declare the determination to continue the struggle against the Dutch. This declaration of unanimity is known as the Porto Haria Proclamation, which contains 14 articles of statement and was signed by 21 Raja Patih from the island of Saparua and Nusa Lau. This proclamation galvanized a fighting spirit that encouraged the growth of battlefront in various places, even as far as North Maluku. On 4 July 1817, a powerful fleet led by Everts the Groot headed for Saparua with the task of carrying out vandalism. all the land on the Hatawono Peninsula was to be searched. The tactic of negotiation, surprise attack, vadose and divide and conquer were carried out one after another. The Dutch also launched a policy of betrayal against Pattimura and his aides. On 11 November 1817, accompanied by several traitors, Lieutenant Peterson ambushed Pattimura and Philip Satumahina. The warriors were finally captured and ended their service on the gallows on 16 December 1817 in Ambon City. For his service and sacrifice, Captain Pattimura was confirmed as a hero of the independence struggle by the government of the Republic of Indonesia.